Hello everyone, welcome back to the new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. So let's start with index Nifty. Bulls failed to carry its bullish momentum and it has hit roadblock after closing in green for 5 consecutive trading sessions. Nifty is trading near to the channel resistance, which is cautious sign for the bulls. As in past, we could witness whenever index is trading near to the resistance, there are high chances of correction in index. RSI is moving towards the south direction from overbought zone, indicating a possible sell-off in index. Index below 14,350 levels, it may move towards 14,000 levels. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. On weekly scale, Bank Nifty breached the horizontal resistance, but it failed to sustain above it. Index has formed doji candlestick pattern, which indicates that index is losing its strength. RSI is trading in overbought zone, which is indication to the bulls that index has stretched too much. Index below 31,500 level will be tempting for bears, as below 31,500 levels we could witness index moving towards 30,800 levels. Moving on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty Energy Index. On daily scale, index has formed bearish engulfing pattern. This pattern indicates that bullish trend is near to the end. RSI is showing negative divergence as price is forming higher high, higher low formation, and RSI is moving towards the south direction. 17,150 will be acting as initial support level. Below that, index may move towards 16,800 levels. Let's move on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which we are going to look into it is Apollo Tyre. On daily scale, stock has performed double top formation, which is a reversal formation. Stock failed to sustain above the support of 20 EMA. RSI is moving towards the south direction, indicating weakness in stock. We expect stock to move towards the horizontal support level, which lies around 170 levels. Moving on towards the next stock, that is Apollo Hospital. On daily scale, stock is forming higher high, higher low formation. We could witness a higher single day volume in past 1 month. Stock continue to hold the support of 20 MA and trading above it. RSI is moving towards the north direction, indicating good strength in stock. We expect stock to continue with this bullish momentum and may move towards 3100 levels. So that's all for this video. Hope you all have a profitable week ahead. Thank you.